Mm-hmm. Yeah, guys, so one sec, we're gonna start really soon. Okay. Dun-dun-dun-dun. One second, guys, and we're gonna start. I'm just kind of curious with one thing. Так. Okay, hello, guys. Let me check. Okay, so today we're gonna start with let's start with gold, then swap on Euro DXI, then move to German 40 and end up with Nasdaq and BTC, right? Nukes. So you're gonna like watch like it fully. Okay, so let's start with gold. Pa-pa-pa-pa-pum. Okay, so where's gold? Where's gold? Where's gold? Nah, crypto gonna be last. Crypto gonna be last. No, crypto gonna be last because Nasdaq related with BTC, and where BTC is going, where BTC is going, where Nasdaq is going, BTC will follow, right? So it's some sort of correlation. Okay, let's say like we see gold. We see gold. Gold we got reaction from this discount. So we might have like one more move down. We probably can have it. It's possible. It's possible if we see like some bullish momentum on stock market. So on the daily, we got reaction from discount on 4 hours. Order block, test of this order block, and uptrend. 1 hour, it just was liquidity sweep. So like 4 hours still bullish. 1 hour. 1 hour looks kind of bullish. Okay, so it was liquidity swept, right? Or you can also like call it as a charge. Yeah, sorry. You didn't miss much. You didn't see much. So let's see. So we have this market shift. Like, yeah, it's not a market shift because it's just like more like liquidity sweep. So this is liquidity swap, right? Liquidity grab. Our favorite music. Okay, so this is liquidity sweep. I hope you can hear me well. Liquidity sweep. So obviously like was 4 hours, even like 12 hours for a gap. We got reaction from it, and it was discount, right? It was 0.779 in 4 hours. Got reaction with this huge order block, and there are like 2 potential moves. We also have the beginning of new months. This month closed like near neutral, not bullish, not bearish, and weak the same. We got reaction from this order block, this one, weekly order block, right? So we got reaction from it. Okay, so we'll have liquidity built here. We'll have order block. Yeah, we'll have order block that hasn't been tested on like 1 hour. This order block. This order block. So, and if we think, yeah, see, most likely, gold will go to this area like 3270, like 64, 63, and then we're gonna bounce here, and price will keep going higher. Okay, so yeah, I think this is what will happen. This is like one option, right? This is the first option. Second option, it just like will go straight up without like testing this shit. But doesn't happen during this weekend unless something like we see like major reports. Let's check the calendar for the next week. Monday, right? Monday we have China bank holidays, so yeah, I don't think we're gonna see like any like aggressive movements on the gold before new week opening, right? So most likely it will open around like this level, will go down, or will up. We will see like rebalance this area, push down, and then move upwards. So this is like my prediction on gold, because if it breaks down below here and close below, it's gonna be like finality for gold and will go higher. But it's like too deep, something important should happen. Hello, Kaka. Okay, this is regardless gold. Because we still have this liquidity, right? Till previous weekly high, 33,166. So this liquidity will be taken for sure. I would love to see like push downwards, test this order block on 1 hour, because this order block hasn't been tested yet properly. Yeah, it hasn't been tested yet. It has to be tested. It's always like this, and then move upwards. So this is like one potential trade that I'll be looking at. Gold. Okay, so let me write it down for myself. Gold. Next are gonna be like Euro and DXI. Euro and DXI. Let's check DXI first. Monthly. We have a new month. Hide all drawings. Okay, we have two huge fair value gaps and liquidity sweep. This month neutral after like aggressive drops, like 8% within like 2 months, kind of huge drop. I'm assuming. Okay. Weekly. Not bullish, not bearish. But until like we broke down below 97, this range can stand. But if we break down below 97, next target gonna be like 89, or maybe even lower, 88. Yeah, probably like 88 gonna be like final target on the XI if we're talking about weekly. But it will take like a few years. Okay, let's go back on indicators. What we can see here. Let's go on the daily. We can see the sell side liquidity, and we can see an aggressive reaction that happened in the middle of the May. So it was a high of the May on May 12th, high of the May. So at the beginning, so first week, most likely it will be manipulations. Like, look at this. Perfect example how like monthly theory works. Like we have like monthly, weekly, and like daily theory, right? So usually at the beginning of the month we have, and at the beginning of the week, like Monday, we have manipulation. After it we have like real move, and like till middle of the month, middle of the week, and then continuation, like slow continuation. On the daily it's like a bit like different. On the daily it's like slightly different. But on the week, yeah, and monthly we probably have like best one. This was first week of the May, like this 3 red candles, right? And then aggressive move upwards. Да, сейчас я напишу. Ну, я скинул его. Так. Ага. Okay, let's go back to 4 hours. So we don't see like anything on daily besides this order block that got reaction. This buy side liquidity. No, it's like too deep. I don't think we will see this. Let's check like 4 hours. Yeah, so if we will see move towards this gap that been absorbed, so it's, and we saw like real intentions, so in second DXI will reverse here. But everything been tested here, like literally everything. So maybe this order block will be tested. Maybe if we go high, so this order block will be huge zone of resistance. So on the XI, I would love to see something like this. But if the zone will be taken, then maybe we can think of something like move like high till 100.5. Yeah, something like this. No, euro will be like the same, so it's gonna be like mirror. Yeah, I think we'll see like move. Yeah, you see like this order block. I marked it. I have alert here. So yeah, like similar picture. Move downwards. Sorry. Move upwards and downwards. And something like this. This is like I expected this. Have to wait for market opening to make sure, but overall, yeah, it's what like I expect. So keep an eye on euro and like in this area. Next one, German 40. Market opens and here goes and settles. Well, maybe. It's talking about euro. You can check that. Like open daily and see. Like let's say, like beginning of the February. Look at this. Manipulation, first week, right? First week manipulation, and then you see like real move. Actually, also entire like February was shit, but still. And then March, yeah, March was like crazy. March, April, some sort of consolidation, and then April was the highest for euro. And now because of May's trash, now we have this. But euro looks nice. You see, like we got like we like rebalance this area, closed kind of like bullish. This bullish candle in euro. So yeah, we might have like some sort of manipulations to refill like this area. We have this inverse fairway gap, this one. Also breaker here. This is order block, and this is breaker. So this is huge area. So most likely, so it's a breaker here, inverse fairway gap. So I would say even like here. This is like where most likely price will reverse. And premium discount should be like 0.779. Yeah, exactly. Exactly this area. So here you go. I think this is like where price will reverse. So this is huge area because of breaker here. It was completely ignored. And then so it's like we form this breaker and then like ignore it here because this 4 hours forever gap is bullish one. So this is a huge support area here. Let's check like also volume profile. On the top. This is kind of interesting. What about this one? Yeah. But yeah, like I said, you see, like this area might be like huge support zone. Okay, German 14 monthly, extremely bullish. Look, oh my god, this is just monthly. This is like one monthly candle showed like real intentions last time. Look at this. This monthly candle on German 40, like real intentions for like entire like next month, and look like what happened. This was fucking crazy. It was fully bought and we closed like above March, tested this fair value gap. Yeah, we have a shit ton of fair value gaps here, so it can go like deep, but usually. But the problem is we're going into the summer, and on the summer, things can get ugly pretty quick. So I won't be surprised if we're talking about like globally, German 40 will go like a bit lower. Yeah, I think it's possible. It's possible. Yeah, and based on this liquidity that's been built here. Yeah, let's mark this like 1 hour forward gap. We'll set alert here. I don't know how market will perform on Monday, but if we get reaction here, it's gonna be like from this area. But I won't short until it breaks down below here. Pretty much that's it. It's near all-time high. And it's gonna be previous monthly high here, previous weekly high here. But I would love to see like move like this and then downwards here. Maybe like take and then like move downwards. This is like green option, but I don't believe in it. Like this. This is like what I believe will happen with German 40. Okay. 1 second. Um. Okay, so Nasdaq. Yeah, Nasdaq huge inverse fair gap. This one, and it has to be tested. Let's check monthly. Hide all drawings. We have this huge. We have also new weekly open gap. So huge monthly inverse fair value gap. It has to be tested, like, no matter what. If we wanna go high, like, this area has to be tested. Yeah, it's a new weekly open gap that we have from already like for 3 weeks. Huge week. So yeah, this area of like the supply area will do like some effect for sure. Алис, я тебя не спрашивал. Хватит. Yeah. The question is, will we go upwards first to take this external liquidity? This is a question. Hello, Daniel. This is a question. Will we go upwards here to take this equal highs? Or no? God, this is a like very interesting question. I will do like analysis as well on my like TradingView, so you can just follow me. It's like TradingView Armenia. I will post some of my analysis here. Well, let's jump on lower time frames. Like daily close kinda bullish, but it's Friday. Like 5%, just like couple days, or even like 1 day, should be enough. Or like 3 days, 3 like red days, and we're gonna like in this area and then pump. So I think it's gonna be like the best option here. If this area will be failed and price goes like below like 19.6, it's gonna be like over for Nasdaq. So let's remove my drawings here. Yeah, this inverse fair value gap definitely gonna do something dirty. They'll have to wait for market opening. Like base how like this like 1 hour and 4 hours like closed. I think we will see like pump and then dump. This area has to be tested before going higher. Has to. Here. And looks like on BTC we're gonna see like same picture. So Nasdaq test of this area, and if we're gonna break above it and close above on 4 hours like daily, then here you go. It will keep going high. That's it. It's just quite simple. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to spot like entry here because of low time frame inverse fair value gaps. There you go. Ideally, I want to see this. So I want to see pull back, market opening, pump, and then reaction downwards. Like this. This is like ideal option. And target this huge new week open gaps that we had like from the beginning of the May. Here you go. This gap. This enormous monthly inverse fair value gap. Yeah. This area has to be tested 100%. Because if we would take the equal highs that we have on the daily, these ones, it's like huge external buy side liquidity, right? Huge one. Then, yeah, it is gonna be gone. Yeah, like I won long here. I will expect some huge drop, and I will be scared about this drop. Not gonna lie. Regardless, BTC, here you go. If you've been watching my streams, like trades that I marked, I could have used like this stop, to be honest, but I was a pussy. Like same picture. Like monthly, we're closing like below. Here have huge area. This area of inefficiency. So most likely this area will be filled. So we won't have. And BTC loves it. BTC doesn't like fair value gaps. Here this gap was filled. This one was filled. And because of we have shortened supply, because like whales is buying BTC like crazy from the market, we won't see like huge drops, like we won't see like shakeouts like here anymore. And like this, yeah, it was like Nasdaq been dropping, BTC been dropping, but you see like amount of volume that we saw here. Like look at this, oh my fucking god. You won't see this volume anymore, guys. That's it. This is like where big money been buying BTC heavily. Yeah. Okay, let's see daily. Days. Yeah, let's check 3 days. So yeah, most likely BTC will bounce to this breaker. And this fair value gap on 4 hours time frame. Mask USDT, yeah, one sec. So here you go. Yeah, right now we have some sort of normal reaction. So at the beginning of the month we will see this, then dump, some consolidation, yeah, it will keep dumping most likely till this area somewhere here. So 96k most likely possible here. Most likely possible here, and then we will keep going higher. Probably second week of June. It's gonna be like the bottom for this summer, or maybe if BTC will go into the range, probably we'll wait till July. Yeah, one second, I just want to finish here. Yeah, first charge, you have first charge. Yeah, I don't like this area. Mask? Okay, let's check mask. A mask. Oh, like really nice one. Yeah, you know you could have like long here. This is like classic long. 50 minutes. Yeah, your possible entry could have been only here, but it allows you to like, even like, let's say you miss right here because it's not optimal. There you go. You could have entered like on this candle. This is your stop. 5% stop. Let me check. Take here. Take was this equal highs. This one. 1 to 3. There you go. No, like it's already over. So like when we're talking about shitcoins like this, look at how like how it goes, like up and down, right? This pumps, this scam pumps that you see, it usually like pumping, taking liquidity and then dumping. So this is like scam, like classic scam coin. Pump, take liquidity, dump, and then consolidation again. So the same happened here. Pump, take liquidity, so next, I don't know like where to go because it's like low liquidity coin. So like if you missed it, you missed it. That's it. Hello, Rahil, hello. Yeah, probably that's it. Yeah guys, that's it for now. That's it. thank you for watching. If you have questions and tickets that you want me to check, feel free to message in the chat. I'll be here for a few minutes and then I'm gonna end stream. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna post my analysis for premium members in the chat. It's gonna be forex, crypto, and future stocks chat, etc. And also we'll post record if someone interested, my train of thoughts. Yeah guys, thank you for watching. Не, чё? Где они?
Они приехали в домой такой.
Писец им.
Она
заход.
невероятно красивая.
Ну, в принципе, закат держать жарко должно быть.
Не, у них даже
Что ты включила?